Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the solution for assignment 8 question 1 in Introduction to Programming in C. So this week assignment is totally different from other week's assignment. Okay. So in this question you have to write the code to remove the first node in the doubly linked list containing the specified number. Here the code to create the linked list is already given. So the main of function calls the function remove data of head comma tail comma n to remove the first node containing the n from the linked list. Okay. So here we are going to complete the code by writing the missing function. So you can also write additional function which you may need. So here the input format. So the input format is you will be given the positive number n in the first line. Then this will be followed by a line containing n integers. Then this will be followed by an integer m. So the output format. The output will be the list after deleting the integer m. Note that you do not have to add any additional function to print the list. Once you code the remove data of function, the code will print the contents of the remaining list. Okay, so here the code is given. So this code was partial, so we should write the remove data of function in the missing part. Okay, so totally we are having 4 methods in this program. So first one is create node, then append node, then initialize the list and printing the list. So the final one is the remove data function, so which is the missing part here. So we are going to write that part. Then this is the main function. So main function, we are invoking the function initialized list, then append node, then remove data and print list. Okay, so here is the code. So we just copy the code given in the question. Okay, so these are same. So this is the missing part in our program. So the remove data of function need the remove node function. Okay. So after writing this code, we just compile and run the program. So this program passed the public test cases. Okay. Now we are going to press the submit button. So the private test cases also passed. Okay, so there is no problem in this code. So it is the important code here. This part is important. Void remove node and void remove data. So these two are the missing part in the program. Okay. So now we are going to run the second question in assignment 8. The question 2 is you are given a non-negative number less than or equal to 1 followed by 8 zeros. Okay. You have to divide the number into the following components and print them in the following order. The part of the number which is less than 1000. Then second thing, the part of the number which is between 1000 and 1 lakh. Then the part of number which is between lakh and crore. Okay, and so on. So you should terminate printing when no higher power of 10 is present to be printed. Okay. So for example, suppose the input number is 134847, then the output should be 847, then 34 and 1. Okay. So here the constraint is the quotient can be done with or without using the arrays. Okay. So hint is using percentage, which means modulo operator, and integer division is helpful in solving this question. Okay. So the code is in this code we are getting the input from the user, then we are performing the integer division and modular division, then we print the value. Just compile and run the program. So the public test cases are passed. After ignoring the presentation error, then click the submit button. So the private test cases also passed here. Okay, thank you.